This is what 48-year-old carpet looks like. It looks terrible. It looks like it got chewed through by rats, probably from battery acid. It's missing snaps, so it doesn't fit right. It's got holes in it, falls into random places, such as the spare tire well that is now missing. Thin, flimsy. Let's fix it. I accidentally opened this as I was filming in 120 frames, so there was no sound. So let's do it again. This is the Asphalt Killerz black, pure black. I don't remember what he called it, but it's one of the black options. So this piece, I do know what this is. You don't want to throw this away. Show you where that goes. Now I do know Kevin personally. We are friends. I ordered this from his site. No discounts, no codes, no, I don't have any of that stuff. Just ordering from a friend because I know it's the highest quality out there. I know how Kevin is. He's a perfectionist with everything. The interior guy is also a perfectionist. So I know this is going to be the highest quality. He's, studied interiors of all of these cars at shows, at Amelia, Rennsport, everything, and he's just found areas to improve on all the parts that they make at Asphalt Killerz. If you can see the detail here goes around. If you can see that weave, so I think it's going to look really nice. You can see here, this is PVC that's worked into the material to keep it solid. So the snaps just like the factory, so it'll snap, and then this part will stay solid because of the PVC in the backing here. So it's really nice. It won't fall, get floppy like how you saw my current one is. So let's go ahead and take this. I'll set this to the side, and this is the main piece. Obviously, the piece that goes along the back side up against the firewall. You have a nice pocket here, and then the whole liner here that goes over the spare tire. So this piece, I know, the one that says do not throw away. You can see this side's cardboard. So you want to put the white side facing the inside of the trunk in case there's any spills. It won't soak into the cardboard. So this will get slid into the back here. Just like that. So now it'll sit in the frunk. It'll be nice and solid. Luggage to sit on, even without my spare tire. Let's go ahead and rip out the old. If you're not familiar, these are just held in by snaps. I'm missing one snap here. And then there's normally 3 on a side. So see how flimsy and floppy, thin these are, torn up here. I did clean underneath everything already. Just gross. I would normally pressure wash these, but I really thought they were going to fall apart with how gross they are. And then there's 2 snaps on this top one here. Ugh. I don't know if you can see that in the light, but all the dust. You see that? Pulls around the brake booster. Like I said, I did vacuum and steam clean all of this area already. It's already very clean now. The nasty old stuff out. Time for the new. I do not know how this goes together really. I have an idea because I know the car, but I did not really talk to Kevin much about this first. So I'm going in as just a normal buyer, buying it off the site, not knowing really what to expect. Oh, there's my snap, that's why. It's the snap that should have been on the old one. He does sell these snap kits if your snaps are gone from your interior. There's 2, 3. Simple. Goes over the strut here. This will come down. See that nice PVC built in here. I'll just kind of tuck that. This will get tucked above that. Finishes that off, so I'll go ahead and do this other side now. This side now, because I have the brake booster, this piece looks much larger than the other side. But this, I believe, will go over and come down and cover the entire brake booster PVC holds this really nice and flat here. And then we get the last piece. So this piece will have this solid, nice solid reinforced floor. And these snaps, this one here. Take this. My battery is also giant. This would be much better if I had the proper size battery, because it'll look that much cleaner right here. Whether I get an anti-gravity or just another battery, yet to be determined. There we go. That might be the quickest install I've ever done on a car. That looks so much better. So we are getting ready to go on the Overcrest rally, trying to get this car ready for that. This obviously was not necessary, of course, but it will be nice to have our luggage in here and have it feel clean while we're out there. I think it's perfect for anybody. Show car, daily use, just cars and coffee. The only thing I would say is if you are a show car person and you're using this for a show car, I would definitely get a smaller battery or hide the battery in the smuggler's box to really perfect this corner up here. It'll just help it lay a little bit nicer without such a big bulky battery up there like I have. Otherwise, the fit and finish is amazing, and I highly recommend. 10 out of 10.